Today I'm baking a sugar cookie pie. First, I'm going to do some prep work for the pie, so I have a lined baking sheet. I'm going to add these Santa Hat sugar cookies on the baking sheet and bake them at 350 for 10 to 12 minutes. Next, I'm going to make whipped cream for the top of the pie, so in a bowl I have 1 cup of heavy cream, then I'm going to add 1/4 cup of sugar, mix this up until stiff peaks form, and then put this in the fridge for later. Then I'm going to make the crust for the pie, so in a bowl I have 8-gram crackers that I crushed up, and then I'm going to add 5 tablespoons of butter and mix that up until it's combined. Then add the graham cracker crust into a greased 9-inch pie plate and press that in, and then bake this at 350 for 10 minutes. Now I'm going to make the filling, so in a bowl I'm going to add 1 family-sized box of vanilla instant pudding mix. Next add 1 cup of milk and mix that up until combined. Then I'm going to add 2 cups of this softened sugar cookie ice cream and mix that up until combined. Then I added the filling into the cooled pie crust and I'm going to spread that out. Next I'm going to add the whipped cream that I made earlier and spread that out. Lastly, I'm going to sprinkle some red sugar sprinkles on top and add the Santa sugar cookies on top, and then I'm going to put this in the fridge for 2 hours before serving. Here's an up close look at the sugar cookie pie.